years, it's been healing. I came here, I saw you at that restaurant.
Yep.
I had the knee replacement, my leg was 4 inches off. I was told I can't help you, and I come here and the physical therapy and Dr. J, and I've had injections. Because I had neck pain, I had back pain, and I just feel so much better.
What does it feel like to get your life back? What does it feel like? Because when somebody says, I'm in pain, I can't do the things that I want to do, I'm not enjoying life to the full, and I know there's more for me, what does that feel like on the other side when you do have hope? Because you were told, there's nothing we can do, this is just the way it's going to be, you're just going to have to learn to live with the pain, this is going to be your normal, right? And for most people, that is their normal. It's like they just continually suffer silently through their pain their whole life. What does it feel like now on the other side, knowing that there is hope and that there is relief?
Well, I just feel thankful. I feel like the Lord brought me here. And I also was told I'm going to have a knee replacement on the other knee.
No?
Nope. Because
That's not part of your future. Knee replacements are not part of our future.
Because I still have 2 more injections in that knee, but I've had, it would just feel like it's going out a lot more. The knee that wasn't replaced, and I haven't experienced that.
What would you share with somebody that's listening to the video right now that could be like you, that's been told that there's nothing that there can be done, there's nothing else that can be done, there's not really any hope left, it's either a knee replacement, a hip replacement, back surgery, neck surgery, or you're just going to have to learn. What would you tell to that person that's listening right now about LT360 Health Center?
I would say this is just an absolute God thing, that there is hope. And they don't have to have a knee replacement. And I would even be reading a book and my neck just killed me. It just felt like a toothache in my neck. It doesn't anymore. My back, it hurt to bend over to get dog food out of the bin. I mean, it doesn't anymore. I mean, there is hope. You don't have to live in pain. And the therapy here and Dr. J and the knowledge and just all the therapy and the healing powder and all of that, it just makes my body healthy and I feel so much better.
Well, congratulations on behalf of the LT360 team and family. We are so grateful. Congratulations. This was graduation day for her, and you can be next. So if you need to find out more information about all natural health care, natural healing, natural therapies, physical therapy, chiropractic care, functional medicine, whatever you're dealing with, we have an answer and solution for you here. So check us out at LT360.com or come on by the Murfreesboro Health Center and check us out sometime. Take care.